Next, we're going to look at working with effects. Effects are applied with the Properties panel and other places. We're going to go in and we're going to apply a drop shadow to some content. So with the selection tool selected, click the yellow background shape right here, and then to select that grayish brown one, press the Shift key and click on it. To group them together, click the Group button in the Properties panel. Now you'll find that when you apply an effect to a group, it's applied to the group as a whole. You'll see that right now. So come to the Add New Effect button at the bottom of the Appearance panel. You can see that we also have it right here. It's called something different. It's called Choose an Effect. But click that button, and you'll see all the different effects we can apply. Now we have Illustrator effects, which are kind of like vector effects. And we have Photoshop effects, which rasterize your object or your artwork and turn it into something like a picture. Now, it's still vector in Illustrator, but what I mean is when you export it later on. So come up here and come to Stylize and choose Drop Shadow. In the Drop Shadow dialog box, change a couple things here. We're going to change the opacity to 50%. And you can use the down arrow, or you can click on the word and type in the value. I'll type in 50. Change the X offset to 0 and the Y offset to 0, and the blur we're going to change to 0.25. So you can click on the word blur and type 0.25. There we go. And then make sure color is selected to apply a color. Select preview and you'll see it apply. It's going to go around the whole thing here. It's not going to go in between because it's applying it to the group as a whole. Click OK. Look over in the Appearance panel. You're going to see it says this is now a group of objects and it has a drop shadow effect applied to it. Go ahead and save your file and leave the group selected.